we've made it all the way to Christmas. It is day 25 of our Advent. I'm so sad. I loved all the amazing products that we got, but let's take a look at what we got for day 25. It looks like this one might be really glued down here, so I may have to cut it off. Let's just tear into it this way. Let's see what we're getting for day 25 of our Advent. Oh, how pretty. Paper crafters don't make mistakes. We make layers. And this is a gorgeous scarf, it looks like. Oh, what a great color. I love this. So, so beautiful. This looks like it was pressed onto here, but this is gorgeous. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much for the amazing gifts. I'll wear this into the new year, and thank you. Thanks. Have a great day.